All right, welcome back to another video. How we spend our 4th of July. First of all, I went to my mom's house. You can basically shop in her house. Got a few items. She invited us over, but today we rested. TV, rest, eat, rest. TV, eat, rest. Again, this is my mom's house. She had someone cater her meat. Again, look at there. Brisket, chicken. Again, look at all this meat. Brisket, chicken, ribs. And I had to make my own side. Look at this. And it was delicious. As you can see here. Again, happy 4th of July. This is how we spend our 4th of July. Resting. Went to go pick up our meat from my mom's house. And again, look at all this meat. Again, sorry if you don't eat meat. But again, welcome to Eatzandtravelz. Again, this is what I warmed up.
So I'm not eating all this by myself.
You see brisket, ribs, chicken. I see I already dived into that chicken.
The brisket.
Again, today we just rested and had lunch and dessert. I made the sides. So there's the macaroni and cheese, the beans, the potato salad. Everything was superb. And we just rested, doing some content today. Again, happy, I don't know what today is when you're watching this video. I added some extra videos in here, some of our favorite places to travel. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment. I don't know, we're somewhere over the ocean. Probably going to one of the islands, one of the most beautiful islands. Again, comment below, subscribe to the channel. What should we try next? What should we eat next? What snacks should we review? We've mostly been reviewing drinks. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment.
It's Tristan, and so here is my inspirational quote of the day directly from the ocean. Do not focus too much on the destination that you forget to experience the journey. So that means do not rush the process. Everything in life is a process, and sometimes you have to slow down. So do not focus too much on the destination that you forget to experience the journey.
Again, this is the meat that I got from my mom's house. Again, this is our platter of meat. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Until the next video.